I'm gonna go cane pole fishing in this tiny little creek behind me here. It should be good because I got all this rain runoff water flowing right into that creek here behind me. And as soon as it hits the main creek, you can see it right there where it bends around. There should be a lot of fish holding in there because there's a lot of bugs and bait coming down out of these woods into the creek. All right, let's get it right back in there. Right there where that current comes in. Oh, there's one right now. Got one right here. Look at this one. Okay, we got a beauty right here. Looks like a little tiny a little warmouth here. So I'm just gonna get him out. Little guy right here. That barb pinch down. Just gonna get him under control. Look at that little one right there. Beautiful little catch. Let's throw him right here. Give him the official creek release in this current here. And then there he goes.